Jumping with her eyes closed. Were you closing your eyes? And now you're going to brush your teeth? Okay, good job.
Wow!
Jump, jump, sweets. Let me see you jump.
Do some jumps and circles. Circles.
Let me see you jump.
Circles.
Circles, 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 circles.
Whoa. Are you going to fall?
Fall. Can you tap, tap, tap? Tap, 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 tap. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Crawl, 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 crawl. Crawl, crawl. Roll, roll over, roll over. Kick your legs in the air. Put your legs up. You want to do a stretch?
Yeah, good kick.
There you go. Good kicking on the floor there.
You want to come give us a high five?
Give Mom a high five.
Yeah, high five. Oh, baby, yeah. Baby. Baby's having some breakfast.
Hey, sir.
Oh, you want to give baby a five on his bottom? Home. Oh, here. Here you go. High five. Oh, so close. Oh.
There you go. Dada. Dada. Hi. Can you jump? Can you jump, jump, jump? Jump, jump, jump. 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 Jump, jump.
Yay, good jumping.
Can you run, run, run? Run, 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 run. Stop. Can you run? Oh, doing the splits. Doing the splits. Oh, can you run backwards? Can you walk backwards? Circle. Whoa, whoa. Watch your head.
Okay.
Yeah, that was close.
That chair was there, huh?
Papa.
Yeah, you did bump it.